Okay, so the organization page has a bunch of worksheets and exercises from the Affiliate Business Accelerator course to help you get clear on your brand identity and internal policies and procedures. But the main attraction here is the task tracker. This is a general task list for your business. You can see all the fields for each entry, the date created, the ticket number, the name is pretty self-explanatory. Priority, P0 is high priority, P3 is low priority. The status, whether it's in progress, incomplete, pending, or completed. Task description, a quick description about the task itself. The org and department there to provide additional organization. Owner, if you're a solopreneur, then this is probably just going to be the same. You can delete the CEO and put your name if you want. And then the due date, right? The day that you want to accomplish the task by. The table view is not really a great experience, so I built the dashboard up above here. So due now, this is what's linked to the homepage of the dashboard. You can see what's due today, what's past due, and what's due tomorrow. Open tickets, these are all the tickets that are either in progress or incomplete. Then there's tasks by org, so everything is organized by the org that you've put it in for this particular task. These are just sample tasks, so there's nothing really incredibly descriptive here, but you've got the different organizations and then you've got the different priority levels as well. Similar thing here for priorities, all the priorities listed by status, excluding the complete ones because we only want to look at the tasks that are open. And then we've got the calendar that's based on the due date. So we can click down and see for the week, we've got 2 things that are due today. We've got 1 thing that was due yesterday. This is green because it's priority 3. And same thing here. This is red because it's P0. And we can add a sort here to sort it by priority level. So now it's ascending and the P0s are going to be at the top. Same thing with this month. We can see all the tasks that we have laid out for this month when they're due. Obviously, I only have these 4 sample tasks in here, so it doesn't look super busy, but this is what it would look like. And then you can also look at the timeline as well. So we can see, you know, on a nice scrollable timeline, all the tasks that we have lined up. That's the organization page. Let's jump over to the product page.